Good. Excuse me. Halito, this question on the screen you have answered, and I like that. There probably are several ways you could have answered this. One is following what the question is asking. I think we've gone over this before. You could have answered in this manner. Pilashash. Filled in the blank where the question word is. There's another way you could have answered this. We haven't gone over all of the indefinites, but Katima also has an answer to that. It could I'm just giving you some possibilities. If I can get back into this, I will take some of that out. Okay. The first one you can answer by putting where you went into the same place where you put the question word, and that's what most of you did. Richard says Pilashash ayatatoba iyalituk, and Aaron says Anumpa chukka iyalituk, and Laura said chukka iyalituk. But she also went on to say I was at home. Then we would use the term anta, chukka anta lituk. I stayed home, or I was at home yesterday. And that comes, I believe it was in chapter 3, no, chapter 4, where we were looking at location, temporary location. Can be used here. Pilashash chukka anta lituk. Yesterday I was at home. And then I said we haven't studied a lot of in-depth. Answer to katima can be kanima is the word that means somewhere. Pilashash kanima iyalituk. Yesterday I went somewhere. And then you can also say I didn't go somewhere. Pilashash kanima iyalitukyo. I didn't go somewhere. So there are other ways that you can express where you went. You can say where you went, or you can say that you didn't go anywhere, or you didn't go somewhere. Let me just throw these in there. This will be helpful to you. There. Oh, no. I'm not sure what's wrong with my... I'm just going to... Oh, here. These are indefinites, and usually there is an answer to the question as we've learned them. Katima. Katima is asking the question where. Kanima is saying somewhere. And we'll study this at a later time where one has the T, the other is going to have the N. The question will have the T, the answer will have the N. Katima, where? Kanima, somewhere. Just to give you another example is kata. Kata is the question that asks who. Kana is someone. Kata, who? Kana, someone. Those are a couple of them, and there are others that we will be looking at a later time. But I was just giving you this to show you that there is a different way of answering by following what the question is asking. Pilashash kanima iyale took yesterday. I went somewhere. Pilashash kanima iyale Tokyo. Yesterday I didn't go somewhere. So again, these are just some things that you can put in your notebook and keep it on hand. Very good. Y'all answered that very well. Uliso hutina pukuli tatlapi ako Chahta Ikhʋnapisa. Uliso hutina pukuli tatlapi ako Chahta. Under compound words, in Choctaw, compounds made from two nouns are formed exactly as in English. The descriptive or modifying noun appears first, followed by the head noun. So a compound such as cornbread is Tanchi Palaska. Gives you compounds on the following page. Isi and Nipi, Shuka and Nipi, Tanch and Buta. I won't go into that again. And then we have Onush and Buta. Compounds in Choctaw made from nouns and adjectives are formed with the adjective following the noun, unlike English compounds, unlike such compounds in English. We have Hapi Champoli, Isi Kusuma, Akant Chaha. Okay, do you have any questions on this part? Give me 1 minute. Let me give you these three. I had one more term that I'm not finding. can't get this thing to work. Okay. If you can get me 2, I'll be happy. Define the following terms. Following is misspelled. There. Define the following terms and use each in a sentence. Waknipi, Kanchi, Palaska, Ayin, Pachoka, and Iti, Tanapo. Some of these you may have to look for. But give me a sentence using each one of these terms. We're at just past 10:30, so I'll give you until 10 minutes till 11. 20 minutes on this assignment. 20 minutes. Everybody send your work in. If you're in class, you're expected to send your work in. I'm giving you the little translations, and then I'm putting the terms in parentheses. Okay, I'll send that to you. Okay, do you have any questions? Okay, y'all did well with that assignment. I want to remind you there will be no class next week, and then on the 24th and the 27th, there will be no classes on those days. All next week, and the 24th and the 27th. Okay. Since there's no questions, I'm going to go ahead and close class, and I will see you all on the 20th, Monday the 20th. Yakuki.